Let's set up a safety line, and this is for if you have something in garter stitch. I have a video on stockinette as well, but what this is for is if you've made some mistake and it's not easy to tink back or ladder down and you need to put this line in so you can frog your work. So what you need first is a smaller size needle than the one you were knitting with. So this one is a number 10 and this one's a number 7. It just makes it easier to get through the loops. I'm using bamboo. These are a little stickier than like metal, so choosing a metal needle could also be really helpful. So what we're gonna do is first identify these ridges. So you can see we've got these waves right here, and that makes up a ridge. And you can see right above this ridge, there's this one. And so what you want to do is kind of tug those apart. And what you're going to see are these loops. You see that it starts here with this leg, goes up through this one, and there's the top, goes back down through this one, and then here's the other leg. And those are our knit stitches, and those are what we're going to pick up. So I'm going to start at the edge, but sometimes the edge stitches are a little weird looking, so if you want to start in the middle and pick them up, and then you can go back and pick up the other ones, you can do that as well. So pulling apart the stitches, we can work our way to the edge by finding this loop and the one next to it, and then the one next to it, and then we end up at this one. And you can see it's kind of hidden a little bit, but we pick up that right leg, and then the leg next to it we jump over. So we're just picking up the right legs here. So we pick up that right leg, and then we go over to the next loop. You can see the top right up there. So we pick up the leg, and then we just continue on all the way down the line and move slowly. I find it easier to identify the top bump first, and then I can go ahead and grab the leg under it. And the nice thing about doing garter stitch is it's a little easier than stockinette to keep a straight line. And just FYI, I do take requests, so if you need help with any kind of technique, just comment below and I'll do my best to get that out as soon as I can. And if you do accidentally pick up a left leg instead of a right, you're going to be just fine. It'll just mean that your stitch is going to be twisted, and so you'll have to untwist it while you're knitting, but I also have a video for that. Okay, there is our final one. Now we can arrange them, and the fun part, take out that needle and just frog everything all the way back. And there you go, like magic, they're all on there, safe and sound.